the SodaStream Power Metal Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. This sleek stainless steel model is a top choice for those who are interested in the convenience of an automated soda maker to set up at home or in an office kitchen space. It requires an electrical outlet like the One Touch or Revolution to automatically generate the desired carbonation level, but this also makes it easier to use. Simply press one of 3 LED buttons that determine the carbonation desired level.
Once the carbonation process stops, the LED also stops blinking to notify you that your sparkling water is ready. You're able to carbonate a 1-liter bottle up to 2 more times without removing a carbonated bottle. After that, you're ready to add the flavor to your sparkling water either directly to the carbonating bottle or in a separate container. Give it a slight shake or swirl and your drink is good to go. The SodaStream Power Metal Sparkling Water Soda Starter Kit comes with the same equipment as most of the other popular models, except it comes with a carbonating bottle that has a slick looking metal accent.